Hi guys, how can you create a black tone image effect in Photoshop like this? First, open your image and go to Filter Camera Raw Filter. Now go to the basic and set the following values. Temperature, +5. Tint, +10. Note the following setting. I will add that quickly. You can pause, note the setting. Next, go to the curves. Set the output 15 and remain the input to 0. Now go to the detail. Set sharpening to 30 and keep the rest at 0. Next, open the color mixer. In the Hue tab, note the following setting. Red, +50. Yellow, -50. Remain the reset as it is. In the saturation, note the following setting. Remain red value as it is. Orange, -25. Set yellow, green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta to -100. Next, in the luminance, note the following setting also. Increase all colors slightly to around +10. Now go to color grading. Click on that white icon. Open the setting at the bottom. Set the value. Hue around 30. Saturation around 5. Keep luminance at 0. Next, go to the optics. Set vignette value -70. Next, go to the calibration panel. At the bottom, green primary. Adjust hue to around +100 mainly and keep saturation minimal. Press OK. This is the before and this is the after. And that's how you can create a black tone image effect in Photoshop.